What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. So here we go again. We're gonna have our adventures hiking. The squad is here. So we're here now at Koko Head. What's the name of this place?
Koko Head Arch. Or
Koko Head Arch. So yeah, where's the main destination? On top? Yeah, just like what I said, on top.
Why do you go up there, champ? You got no rope?
just cross, yeah, no ropes. I don't know, only crazy people cross that bridge.
We're gonna cross this one?
Where do you go? Usually go?
So normally I just go underneath it and chill.
Huh?
You can go under the bridge and chill, or you can try to cross it on the top. Pretty sketchy.
Under the bridge and chill?
Yeah, I just chill under the bridge.
Pretty sketchy and pretty stiff.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So anyway, you
I
know,
don't know.
that's how it is. If you're a hiker, you gotta do what is need to be done.
There's a way there too, champ?
So we're gonna go like this.
Now we'll check it out. I know you're not wearing.
So we need to cross this bridge right here. Fly my drone on the top. On the top. So we found something in here. A hole. A nice hole. Seemed like in a Palipuka. Is that Palipuka, bro? Yeah? Is that Palipuka? The one we went through? And in Pali? Yeah. Look like it. Oh yeah, look at this place. Pretty insane. Have that massive hole, and look at this view right there. Look, let me clear out. Look at that. I'm gonna fly my drone here, and I know this is gonna be epic. This is gonna be a perfect shot for drone, bro. Yeah, it is.
Someone died there?
So beautiful. Where?
The person?
No, probably not. Justin Putka, 1942. I don't know. So look at this beautiful hole right here, guys. The form of it, it's pretty stunning. It's actually the sunrise is here. If we just been here earlier than that, we could probably get a nice shot. Take a photos here. It's gonna be epic, guys. Look at that. It's pretty stunning, yeah. So anyway, probably gonna go back here again because I'm gonna get that beautiful shot with the sunrise shot, and also get my time lapse also. And I need to look some place to get a beautiful time lapse. So I'm gonna have my time lapse right here. Then afterwards, I'm gonna get my drone shot. Let's go.
I forgot to look beyond and see the other side.
So now I'm done with my time lapse, and I'm ready to go with my drone. So we're taking footage here, photos, photo shoot. What's up, chum? What's up? How you doing?
Alright. Good high.
It's good. We're supposed to go up there, but it's kind of dangerous because it's pretty stiff and slippery. We need the roof to climb up. And that's Rome. What's up, Rome? Doing good? Alright, so right now we're gonna fly the drone. So let's go!
I did you wrong, now that's an understatement. To walk alone, I guess it's my repayment. Please give me a light, show me what I need. of your heartbeat.
Okay guys, we're heading back now. Hey guys. Alright, you guys see. So we're kind of heading back now, and we take tons of photos, drone shot. Everything is done here. Actually today it was a perfect day because it's not that too hot. It's just a perfect day. I'm gonna go back here next time again because I want to get the time lapse with that beautiful sunrise. It's really a perfect spot down there. It's amazing. Looking forward for that. Hey, be careful! No, don't touch it. I'm gonna film it. Oh shit, there's a baby! There is! I'm gonna check that bird. She's protecting her baby right there. She has a baby there. That is so cool, guys. It's so cool. I thought she was alone, but there's a baby in it. She was protecting. That's why she's not, you know, leaving the baby.
Ronnie, why you make this look so easy?
That was easy, man. Jump right there. Jump over that thing.
I cannot jump. I have a backpack.
Your brother is oh look, he's gonna jump, bro. Watch out, he's gonna jump.
Jump?
I told you. Right there. Blasted. So we're back, and that's it for today. See you guys again. I'll see you guys next time. Say goodbye, bro. Ciao. See you.